All right, welcome back to another difficult, tricky back. All right, obviously this is going way too fast for you guys to pay attention. And so there is a slow down version of the drone view. Also, there is a slow down version of this view here at the end of the play-by-play. So stick around for those, and here we go. So this is a very, very, very tricky back, and we haven't got too many options. We have an option to blindside into this space, or we have the option to use the area over here on the left, which is uncommon because normally there'd be like trailers there. But you know, if there was trailers there, this would be pretty much an impossible sight side back, and we'd have to blindside that, which I already have a video and I will put it up here. So if you want to click on the blind side of this, all right, hopefully I'll remember to do that. Okay, so we're gonna we got to start off at an angle. We can't just drive straight and then just jackknife it in. All right, so the reason we're gonna use this area here is to start our jackknife off. Now this is a bit of gonna be a trial and error, so I'm not 100% sure I'll be able to get it in this particular setup. All right, because I'm very aware of the grassy area over here in the curb. I don't want to be hitting that with the truck because it'll just be the truck that will hit it. So let's go ahead and start backing up. Now I probably could have jackknifed a little harder there, but that's fine. I didn't do it. Right now, this is more of an education back for myself to see if I can do it without using too much room over here on the right when it comes to swinging the back of my, sorry, the front of the truck. Anywho, so obviously I'm not going to make it. All right, it's pretty obvious, and this told me how much room I had over here to use. All right, so let's go ahead and go right back to where I was. And then we're going to go a little bit further up. And then we're going to do it all over again. Now, what am I paying attention to? There's a few different factors, right? We have to watch out for this pole, all right? We have to watch out for the swing of the trailer, which would hit this trailer over here. And we have this grassy area, and of course we have these other trailers. Where are they? They're over here. Yeah, we got to watch out for these trailers here in this mirror. All right, so there's too many factors to look out for. We can't just watch one. All right, so we're paying. It's tough to pay attention to so many things at once. All right. Now, just for everyone to say, like, why don't you slide your axles all the way to the rear? Uh, it's impossible. Honestly, you wouldn't be able to get around this pole. I do believe I've tried it. Again, I failed. But maybe somebody can do it. But anyway, I couldn't do it. I think the physics part isn't there because we weren't able to get the swing, or we weren't able I wasn't able to. The truck would end up in the grass too many times. Anywho, enough talking about that. Okay, so right now the back of the trailer is beyond the spot. That's fine. We're still worried about that, and we're still worried about this trailer. All right, right now I am trying to, and I'm still focusing on that. I can't stress how much things you're actually focusing on in this particular back. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and rotate and rotate and rotate until I don't know I'm going to hit something, and then I'm going to start worrying. All right. So as you can see there, I wanted to jackknife a little bit more because I know if I have to, I can use this area to pull forward if needed. All right. So, but it's looking good. But of course, I don't like where the back of my trailer is. But I still know I can keep going because I can see the trailer, and I pretty much know when to stop. All right, so around here is probably where you should get out and look. And did I get out and look? Well, I knew exactly. I had a few more feet, but it's still looking very, very tight. So yes, I had to get out and look here. I couldn't just trust the drone view. So I got out and looked. And now what I'm doing here is I'm pretty much. I really wish I actually got a camera just to show you what I'm looking at. So what I'm looking at back here, all right, is I'm basically putting my head alongside this trailer, and I'm looking down here, and I'm comparing it to the back of my truck. Sorry, back of my trailer, and I'm looking at the angle of my truck. All right, because the angle is pretty much in a jackknife position, the back of the trailer is going to go to the left. So I'm free and clear. So start backing up. Now all I'm worried about is this pole here and the wall. So I'm going to keep backing up until right before I would hit something. Now, why did even though I'm parallel right now, why am I keep going? Well, because I have very little room to pull forward. So I'm going to back it up as much as I can, knowing that there's nothing over here. I do know that, not just by looking at the drone view. I just know there's nothing there because You know, I saw it. And I'm going to go ahead and stop right here. Crank it hard to the right to pull forward. Go beyond parallel again. And then I'm going to start chasing it. And straight. And now now it's a little bit of a balancing act. We're looking at the left and looking at the right over here. Just a little bit of a balancing act. There we go. That's it. With that back, successful. And this was just a practice back. Some people are going to say you can't open your doors right now. Well, these doors actually, these dock doors actually don't get used. So anyway, so no complaining about the fact that I didn't open my doors.
Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my
Well, thank you very much, guys, for sticking to the end. If you want to subscribe, if you haven't already, please click here. And if you want to see some more videos, click on the green rectangles. All right, please don't forget to share. Thank you very much. Goodbye.